fallback sa babae.
Hindi, I mean, pag nag-quit ka ng showbiz, paano mo
Maraming business, ang dami ko pwedeng gawin, kaya napalakas ang loob ko. Hindi naman kasi ako high maintenance sa tao eh. I still live in a condo, you know, but I can live in a house, but I don't live in a house because it's not practical. I don't want to be living in a big house, tapos mag-isa lang ako, di ba? So, there are so many things, you know, through the course of my life here, in almost 20 years of being in the industry, wala naman akong ginawa kundi mag-invest, mag-save. So, one of the reasons why I could quit is because I can, you know, devote my time to these businesses na pinasukan ko through the years. Kailangan din kasi tutukan. So, it's just my sister, you know, doing everything on my behalf. And it'd be nice, you know, if I can be present also sa mga negotiations, sa mga dealings namin. So there's definitely a fallback. Maybe not here, maybe in the States, but one thing I know is that I'll keep coming back here because we also have businesses in the States. So I'll just shuttle between, you know, the States and the Philippines siguro.
Hindi ka naman bibili ng share ng ABS-CBN?
Meron, joke. Hindi naman masyado na akong blessed sa ginawang sa binigay sa akin ng ABS. So, I think ang pinakamagandang regalo may bibigay ko na lang sa ABS, and you can quote me on this, is that, you know, I started with ABS, you know, I'll end my career in ABS.
After nung movie nyo ni Tony, sabi mo nga, mahirap sundan. Si Sarah kasi before, pag natatanong siya kung sino yung ultimate dream leading man niya, sabi niya, Piolo Pascual. Ikaw ba, kasi parang dati may mga talks na gagawa nga kayo. Ikaw ba gusto mo rin makasama si Sarah? And kung sakali, anong nangyari? Kung magkakaroon ba?
Definitely. She's one of the few na talagang gusto kong makasama. But kasi nagkasunod-sunod sa kanila ni Lloydie, di ba? And then I also got busy with soap and movies. So if it comes, when it comes, I hope matuloy.
So definitely, habang ongoing yung Hawak Kamay, wala ka pang gagawing movie?
It's hard, especially pag hindi pa nga kami ina-air, nag-everyday taping namin. So I don't think I'll be able to devote time for shoot kung pagsasabayin ko.
Okay, thank you, Papa P.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tita, yes.
Very relevant question.
Ang last question will come from Nestor, editor ng Tempo, at saka ng nagsusulat sa atin sa Manila Bulletin.
Hi, Jay. There's been a lot of mention on your part about quitting, about retiring. Ano yung sabihin nito?
Hindi ko naman po siya pinupush eh, pero natatanong din ako, and I guess it all started when we had the reunion party, the victory party for starting over again back in February, because I was already signing a contract with ABS. I just had to share about my thoughts on, you know, life. And I asked Inang, sabi ko, Inang, ayoko sana magsalita because I was gonna be emotional. Sabi niya, but you're there already, and you know, I guess I was too much on a high, so I just had to share about that. And it never ended from there. So, time and again, I would say it's because I'm not getting any younger, and I think I've devoted more than my life into this craft or into this business, and I want to be able to enjoy other things, siguro. So
obviously, that's in line with a thinking that it's best to quit when you're on top.
you can say that. It'd be nice to say that. It'd be nice to do something like that. But I was also told, should I quit? Should I decide to quit? Siguro it's also nice to just slip away without even having to broadcast it. So at least I can still come back. Pero, I don't know, you know, I live a day at a time. So for now, I got me another 2 years. So with this Hawak Kamay, I'm concentrating on this. I'm happy that I have a job. But more than that, I guess, I'm happy just being here. So when it happens, you know, it'll happen at the perfect time siguro.
You also talk about fallback and what you will do afterwards. So nabe-mention dito yung mga businesses na sinasabi. So concerns in the US and in the Philippines. Can you give us an idea what some of these are?
Real estate po. Mostly real estate. Mami Vilma Santos gave me that advice in late 90s when I was doing the Gata 70. And that's the best piece of advice that I got, coming from someone who's been in the business for decades. It was apt for me to ask her, what I can do, to make my money work for me. And that's what she said, invest in real estate. That's what saved her. So ever since then po, yun yung pinasukan ko. So ever since, every time na I get something, we buy or we acquire property.
Tama ba that you have 10 houses in Manila?
Hindi naman po. Takot ako sa biyaya. Huwag naman. May family businesses po kami, nakatira ako sa condo, bigay lang sa akin ng Century Properties Bigay lang sa akin, so doon ako nakatira, I didn't even buy the house. It was part of the deal I got from them. So, meron naman po, okay naman, steady naman.
Can I sell you a farm?
Meron na po.
It's okay, thank you.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa mga members of the press na nagtanong.
Thank you.
It's time now to call the other members of the cast ng Hawak Kamay para samahan si Papa P. Thank you very much sa mga